Hi, what am I, or rather what is my YouTube channel for? Just help the sick and prevent those who are not yet knowing that soon one of two people will have cancer. So today, about the inflammation that sun and light reduce and the melatonin that sun and light make. And yes, the new discoveries revealed to us by Professor Roger Seheult. I give you the links and those that I find the most advanced in my playlist. On the other hand, the healing protocol are my research and solution. Indeed, I rely on this great researcher to develop easy and effective practices. Regarding inflammation, if our body has decided to create it, it means that we need it to repair a specific point. But if it becomes chronic, we must first find the cause and try to reduce it before it does do damage. Solution? A lot of sun and light, as explained us by Roger Seheult. If you want to know all the 13 causes of inflammation, who better than our friend Berg? What I do. In our bed, a small sore shoulder or knee, the 300-watt infrared lamp for 15 minutes. If you don't want to spend it at around $50 to $65 new on eBay, you have the simple solution of large incandescent bulb, those that has been replaced by LEDs. This is the lamp I use each night. I put this on my bed near my shoulder, and when I have pain, it disappears completely.